Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 6. Our today's topic, exercise 1.6, question number 14, 15 and 16. Dear students, this is lesson number 6 and SW number 4. Okay, dear students, now let us start our today's class. At first, we will solve B number question number 14, sub number B. And here we have to multiply 0.33 with 0.02 with 0.18. At first, we will multiply 0.33 with 0.02. Dear students, here we have to multiply to decimal number. Okay, at first we will multiply this 33 with 2 without considering decimal point. You know that 33 2s are 66. That means if we multiply 33 by 2, then it will be 66. Now we have to put decimal point. Dear students, in first number after decimal point, here 2 digit exist, and in this number after decimal point, here 2 digit exist also. So total how many digit exist after decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means after decimal, in the product after decimal point also 4 digit will come. Here 2 digit exist, so we have to take another 2 digit, and for fill up this 2 digit we will take 2 0, 0 and 0. Then we will give here decimal point. Multiplication 0.18. Dear students, now we will multiply 0.0066 with 0.18. And here similarly at first we will multiply 66 with 18 without considering decimal point. Here we will use rough 66 and 18. Here 8 6 are 48. From 48 we will write 8 carrying 4. Again 8 6 are 48, and 48 plus 4, this is equal to 52. Now in second step, in ones place we will give 0. Now 1 6 are 6 and 1 6 are 6. If we add 8 plus 0, this is equal to 8, and 2 plus 6, this is equal to 8. 5 plus 6, this is equal to 11. 1188. 1188. Now in first number after decimal point 4 digit exist, and here after decimal point 2 digit exist. So in the product also total how many digit will be exist after decimal point? Total 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total 5 digit will be exist after decimal point. Here 4 digit exist. Now we will take another 2 place, and we have to fill up these 2 place taking with 0. Then we will give here decimal point. So that answer will be 0.01188. Answer 0.0011188. Now dear students, we will solve question number 15, sub number C. Here we have to determine the quotient. That means we have to divide 0.168 by 0.0125. At first we will write this division as the form of fraction. That means we will write this number in the place of numerator 0.168. And this number will write as the place of denominators 0.0125. Dear the students, in this fraction, in numerator and denominators, decimal sign exists. So at first we will try to remove these decimal points, so that we have to multiply these numerator by 1000 and these denominators by 10,000. Since we have to for removing decimal point, we have to multiply these denominators by 10,000, and for keeping same value also we have to multiply this numerator by 10,000. That means we will multiply this number by 10,000 and also will multiply this number by 10,000. Then these two decimal point will remove. 0.168 multiplication 10,000. Again 0.0125 multiplication 10,000. Dear students, in this number, after decimal point, total 4 digits exist, and in 10,000 also post 0 exists. So if we multiply 0.0125 with 10,000, then it will be 125. That means 125. Now if we multiply 0.168 with 10,000, then here after decimal point total 3 digit exists. So if we multiply this number by 1000, then it will be 168. Here another extra 0 exists, so it will be 1680. That means product will be 1680. Okay, now we will divide 1680 we will divide 1680 by 125. So here we will use rough for finding out the quotient. One two five 1680. In 168 we can give 1 times, 125 we can give 1 times, then 125 ones are 125. If we subtract, then 8 minus 5, this is equal to 3, 6 minus 2, this is equal to 4. Now we will take this 0. In 430, how many times we can give it? If we give 3 times, then it will be 375. 3 times 375. If we subtract now 0 minus 5, this we will consider it as 10, then 10 minus 5, this is equal to 5, and carrying 1 add with 7, then it will be 8. 13 minus 8, this is equal to 5. Again carrying 1 add with 3, then it will be 4. 4 minus 4, this is equal to 0. Okay. Now we cannot divide 55 by 125 because 55 is less than 125. So that we will take here decimal point and then we can take 10 here. Then in 550, how many times can give 125? If we give 4 times, then it will be 500. 4 125s are 500. Then if we subtract, then it will be 50. Since here decimal point exists, so we can take 10 here. Now in 500 we can give 4 times, then it will be 500. 500 minus 500, this is equal to 0. That means here quotient is 13.44. So if we divide 1680 by 125, then quotient will be 13.44. 13.44, and it will be the answer. 13.44. Dear the students, now we'll solve 16 number. Here we have to simplify this expression. At first we have to do the work of first bracket. That means have to subtract 9.25 from 12.75. 3.5 second bracket 7.8 multiplication 2.3 minus, if we subtract 9.25 from 12.75, then it will be 3.50. 3.50. Second bracket, third bracket, division sign 0.5. Okay, now we'll do the work of second bracket. Here 7.8 minus 2.3 minus 3.50. At first we'll add these two negative numbers and we'll give minus sign in front of the result. 3.5 second bracket 7.8. Now we have to add 2.3 with 3.50. 2.3 means it's actually 2.30. Since here after decimal point 2 digit exists, so that after decimal point here also we take 2 place, so that we'll write here 2.30 and another number is 3.50. If we add, then it will be 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 5 plus 3 equal to 8 decimal point, and 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That means 5.80 minus 5.80. Second bracket, third bracket, decimal sign, division sign, then 0.5. Now we have to subtract 5.80 from 7.8. 7.8 and 7.80 same. That means we can consider we have to subtract 5.80 from 7.80. Here any sign is not exist, so we can consider here multiplication sign exists. If we subtract 5.80 from 7.80, it will be 2.00. We need not to write 0.00, we'll write only 2. 3.5 multiplication 2, then division sign 0.5. This is equal to, at first we'll do the work of third bracket. Here, if we multiply 3.5 by 2, then without considering decimal sign, if we consider here 35 exists, then 35 multiplication 2, this is equal to 70. Now we will give decimal sign. Here after decimal sign one digit exists, and here after decimal sign any digit not exist. So in the product after decimal sign also one digit will be exist, so that we have to give decimal sign here. Divide by 0.5. Now 7.0 and only 7 is same, so we'll write only 7. Divide by, here 0 point exists. We will convert this decimal number into fraction, so that in numerator at the place of decimal, in denominators at the place of decimal sign we will give 1, and after decimal sign here one digit exists, so we will give 10, and in numerator we will write the number without giving decimal sign. That means 5 by 10. This is equal to 7. Now instead of division sign we will write here multiplication sign, and we will write the reciprocal fraction of 5 by 10. That means these denominators will be numerator and this numerator will be denominators. Now here 5 2's are 10. Now 7 multiplication 2, this is equal to 40. Answer will be 40. Okay, dear students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's CW. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number 4, and topic of the SW exercise 1.6, question number 16. Again I am telling, Our today's SW topic is exercise 1.6 question number 16. Dear students, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.